What's up guys, and welcome back to veggieonpennies. So today I thought I would show you guys how to make some really easy oat milk recipe from home. It's so easy, so creamy, so delicious. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So you're first going to start with some oats. I'm using quick oats, but you can also use still cut or old fashioned. Then you're going to need some table salt, some vanilla extract, some maple syrup, and some water. So to start off, you're going to need half a cup of quick oat that you're going to add to a blender. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to pour in your 1 liter of water, which is about 4 cups, and you're going to blend on high for about 30 seconds. You don't want to go more than that because then it turns slimy. You also don't want to soak them or cook them because again, that's going to make them slimy. So when that is done, you're going to just pour your mixture through a fine mesh sieve, and you're just going to sift it until you're left with just like foam and like some random like granules on top. As you can see, you don't want to push the mixture down to get as much juice as possible. You just want to let it do its thing and discard whatever is on top. And yeah, very, very easy. You also don't want to use a nut milk bag, and as you can see, this is how it looks. So not quite thick enough, so I just boiled some cashews for a little bit, and I'm adding about 1/3 of a cup of cashews, a little bit of a milk mixture just to get it nice and blended, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the mixture in it and blend it all together in a blender for about 30 seconds. Again, no more because it can turn slimy pretty quickly, and I want to do a second sifting. So again, I'm just gonna sift. This time we do have blended cashews in there, so you want to make sure you sift it really well, and this is how it looks the second time, so way more creamier. When that is done and you're satisfied with the consistency, you're just going to go ahead and pour it into a 1 liter mason jar. So you're going to have just under a liter, and that can stay in the fridge for like 2 to 3 days. So this is with cashews and this is without on your right. Now I want to show you a really quick easy chai coffee. So I'm just heating half a cup of milk, and when it's out of the oven after 2 minutes, you just want to skim off the top because again, it can be a little bit slimy when you do heat it up. Then you're just going to add some of your chai latte mixture into a little steeper. Steep that into your milk for a couple of minutes, and when it's ready, take out a fresh brewed cup of coffee and pour in your milk, and it's going to be so satisfying to watch it twirl and swirl into your coffee. And there you have it, a really easy chai latte. So as you can see, again, on your left with cashews versus without, so way creamier when you do add cashews. I would definitely recommend. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this really quick recipe of oat milk. It was so delicious and easy to make, so I hope you guys try it for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe as usual, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I guess I'll never